It started as a conversation between brothers, but grew into a project that needed to be shared. On the road, there are infinite possibilities. I turn to the left, and you miss the stories held on the right. It's a risk. A challenging impulse to discover, to meet great people, to explore the quietness of nature. What is it that takes us back to our roots? The textures, the smells, the landscapes. It was merely an illusion that we were flying like birds, absorbed in the atmosphere of freedom, of history, of our innocence. It was then that we realized life is lived only once. We know this land better than anyone. So, if you want to travel, come with us. Do it as a local. Alazan, customized driving experience.